Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the band and sorting it by material because each needs a different approach. Once done, turn the band face down and rinse briefly under warm running water to remove surface grit. Use a soft cloth with 1 drop of mild soap in a bowl of warm water to lather. Scrub gently where dirt collects. Make sure to avoid soaking leather or metal links. For those, you'll use different, gentler techniques next. Now tackle the deeper grime based on material. For silicone or fluoroelastomer, scrub seams and holes with a soft brush and soapy water, then rinse until suds are gone. This prevents irritation from residue. For woven nylon, soak 5 to 10 minutes, agitate gently, then squeeze, not wring to preserve weave. For leather, never soak. Wipe with a barely damp cloth and mild saddle soap on stubborn spots, then apply a leather conditioner once dry to restore suppleness. Finish by drying the band completely. Lay flat on a paper towel and let air dry away from direct heat. Pat metal links with a lint-free cloth to speed drying. Once fully dry, reattach the band and confirm proper fit and sensor contact. If a stain or odor remains, try a baking soda paste on nylon or a small isopropyl wipe for metal links. If leather is damaged or still smelly, stop and consult a professional cleaner to avoid ruining the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.